Good morning, everyone. I'm Lily from Sixth Graciousness, and I'll be sharing my experience with you and the importance of starting early. When you start early, there'll be more time for you to prepare your schools, and you'll be more clear of your final 3 choices. You may say that you'll have a lot of time, but trust me, when you go to P6, you'll be busy doing work, and you won't have enough time to consider your choices properly and discuss your options with your parents and your teachers. Before you know it, the deadline for DSA could be in the next week and your opportunity would have been wasted. A good way to decide your final 3 is by using the ECG portfolio in Google Classroom, where you can evaluate your choices well with the help of your teachers. Should you have questions, you can always ask your teachers on this platform. It is very useful if you use it well. I advise you to manage your time well and choose your schools wisely. Try to start from 6 choices and narrow them down after getting your results. Lastly, don't be scared to apply for DSA, as it will secure a spot in the school you desire to go to and reduce your stress. Always remember that DSA is for all. Thank you.